Cardinal. It's a better view from my room, I would say. Yeah, birds really like popcorn. That was Christmas popcorn. You know, the bucket with the caramel, plain, and cheddar. And then I have a bag of birdseed with just plain, what are they called? They're not Cheerios, but I mean, they're just the round Cheerios, I guess, the pantry style. And I threw some of those out there mixed with some birdseed. And they've been enjoying themselves for the last hour or two while the sun's out, most definitely. So, yeah. God, dog, look at that sucker. Wow. Yeah. Look at that. Huge. Compadre. It's crazy. I would like to open up the window, but I know they would fly off. And it's too cold for that. But yeah, popcorn, cheap treat, especially if it's stale to you, you know. Look how they move through the snow.